Keystone Bullet Premier M30RIPR for sale in Menasha, Wisconsin 54952. Get ready for your next adventure with this 2018 Keystone Bullet Premier M30RIPR. This luxurious travel trailer is 36 feet in length and features a charming floor plan that can comfortably accommodate up to 6 guests. It has been outfitted with 2 slide-outs and 1 awning, as well as a leveling system. This impressive RV has been very well maintained with minimal abuse, which has enabled its like-new condition. This 2018 Keystone Bullet Premier M30RIPR is perfect for anyone who appreciates a quality residential living experience right on the campsite. With top-of-the-line amenities and luxury appointments throughout, you can easily make this spacious travel trailer your next home away from home. It comes with exceptional options and features that offer the ideal combination of comfort and convenience. Highlights of these advantages include solid countertops, microwave refrigerator / freezer, stainless steel island kitchen, SinkDinette with bench seating that lays down into a bed, flat screen television, surround sound DVD / CD / StereoSofa, SleeperMaster queen size bed with storage underneath, full-size master closet, LED, lights located in front of camper and under power awning, lots of space in cupboards, and also a nice outdoor kitchen with television, heavy-duty anti-sway / stabilizer bars, along with Hitch and much more. Never used, any of the SinksShowerToiletThree burner stove and oven InsideGrill for outside is still in the box. This 2018 Keystone Bullet Premier M30RIPR is the ideal setup for anyone looking to make their traveling dreams come true. Perfect for anyone looking to create lasting memories with loved ones and friends. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to truly cherish your RV experiences. This travel trailer is priced well below its true value, so call today for more information on how this incredible 2018 Keystone Bullet Premier M30RIPR can be yours.